handle left for left side opening. Rotate handle right for right side opening. Carefully tight the screw. Set the spindle as per the door thickness. Fix the spindle in the back of the front panel. Fix the gasket. Tie the screw casing pipes in the back of the front panel. How to set the latch direction? Set the latch direction as per the door, inside or outside opening. How to fix the mortise lock body? Insert mortise lock body into cavity. Fix it with screws carefully. Fix the front panel. Locking panel using the connecting rod. Ensure the screws on the rear panel are tightened securely. How to insert the battery? Insert 4AA battery. A beep sound will indicate that the lock has been activated. Conceal the back panel with the provided cover. Fix the strike plate. Secure it with the screws.